Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Krista. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 2 little boys. One is 2 and the other is 2 months old. Today I am doing a deep clean of my bathroom. So the first thing I'm doing here is I'm taking some vinegar and putting it in a plastic baggie and wrapping that around the sink faucet so that it can kind of dissolve all that hard water that's been built up. So you'll notice here I did not clean the inside of the toilet in this clip. That is because I had already cleaned it and I thought I was filming and I was not. But here I like to take a disinfecting wipe and go all around the toilet to kind of clean everything up. And it had been a while since I've cleaned the shower out. You can see Parker in the background right there. So when I'm deep cleaning, I like to take Clorox with bleach in it and really get in there with that. I feel like that's the best way to kind of deep clean your bathroom. Maybe that's just me, but that's how I do it. So I have been putting off deep cleaning the bathroom for what seems like the longest time, just because it is my least favorite room to clean. I will clean everything else. I'll do dishes, I'll do laundry, but when it comes to cleaning the bathroom, I just keep putting it off. Like, I'll just spot clean. So tell me, what is your least favorite room to clean in your home?
It's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. Just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. It never ends, this being more than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to...
So after letting it sit for about 10, 15, I think maybe 20 minutes at the most, I take off that vinegar, pour it down the sink, and then run some cold water, and that pretty much removes everything. I do wipe it down with the bleach and a rag as well. But other than that, that's all you have to do for that little trick.
I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me.
next I'm going to take my Method glass cleaner and just wipe down our mirror. And then I also wipe down the wall that's just below the mirror because it does get some splatters of toothpaste, I guess from Parker and my husband. I guess they're just messy. But yeah, I just deal with it from day to day. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do the same thing I did on the faucet in the sink to my shower head. I just wrap that baggie around with the vinegar and I let it sit until it's clean. I think I let this sit for 30 minutes to an hour before I removed it, just because this was a little bit rougher to get completely clean.
I wanna lay in your arms, come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. La 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. Tell me what you wanna do. Yeah, 'cause I'd do anything. I just wanna be with you. How can you make me feel this way? Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want.
So the last things I needed to do here in this bathroom was to just do the floors. So I just swept and then I took my Swiffer wet jet and just cleaned the floors in that way. Sometimes I do my steam mop, but today I just really did not want to get everything out to do that. Maybe I'll do that later. But yeah, so that is pretty much what I do when I deep clean my bathroom.
I wanna stay here with you. I just wanna hear you say that you want me to. I told you I can't get you off my mind. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you.
So the next day I realized that I did not wipe down my cabinets or organize them, and they really so that is the last thing that I did in this bathroom. So first things I'm going to do is I'm just going to wipe it down with some cleaner, get it really good, and then I will actually start organizing it.
I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hey, I've got you on my mind. Yeah, you're all that I think about. You know you got me going wild. And what I want is you. Could you come a little closer? I want you by my side, and I'll try the best I can to make you feel this way. Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I wanna stay here with you.
Hey, bro, don't you look at that? I said, my friend, what you looking at? I think she is something for me. Excuse me, miss, it's my first time here. Maybe you could show me out of here. I think she got something in me. So please forgive my
Alright guys, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope that y'all enjoyed it. Hope that y'all got some motivation. Don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up and comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel where I upload every Monday and Friday at 9 a.m. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye y'all.